Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a baby girl zycajessmoney. If you are new onto this channel, you are welcome because this channel is about everything money, how you can earn money online at the comfort of your home. So stay glued if this is the kind of video that you will love watching, because in this video you'll be learning that. Also, if you're a channel subscriber, you are all welcome. In this particular video, we'll be talking about some apps that will allow you to earn money. There are several apps that will allow you to earn money online in Nigeria. Yes, so here are some popular options. Let's go into the main video, guys. Number one app that will allow you to earn money online is called Toloka. Yes, Toloka pays user for completing a simple task. That task could be online or offline. Yes, and your task is being tailored to you, towards your region. Yes, what do I mean by this? They will not give you a task that is outside your region. The task that will be given to you must be within your vicinity, within your premises. Yes, that is how Toloka works. Yes, and there is no limit to how much you can earn. Yeah, you can earn as much money as possible. Hence, you are performing and completing your task. Yes, all you need on this very app to earn this money is just your smartphone and an internet connection. That's all you need to make money from Toloka. One app that you can be making a lot of money is called Swagbucks. Yes, if you're an OG of this channel, you know that I always make emphasis on this particular app. Yes, guys, and this app, why do I make emphasis on this very app? Because this app offers various ways in which you can earn money from it. Yes, which include completing a survey, watching videos, playing games, and even shopping online. Imagine when you shop online, you still get paid, you still get points. Yes, and users that use this app always get points. Yes, and those points that they get from this app is called SB. Yes, which could be redeemed into cash or gift cards. So imagine that. Imagine how beautiful this particular app is. When you watch videos, you get points. When you complete a survey, you get points. When you shop online, you get points. When you only play video games, you get points. And at the end of the day, it could be redeemed and converted into cash or a gift card. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy any of this and make money. Exciting app that you can make money from is called BuzzBreak. Yes, BuzzBreak actually pays users for staying informed. Can you imagine that? When you stay informed, you get paid. Yes. How do this app work? Yes, this app actually pays users for staying informed by reading news articles. When you read news articles from this app, you earn points, and those points that you earn could be converted into cash, just like Swagbucks. Yes, and at the end of the day, you will withdraw your money, you get your money being paid to you just by reading news articles. Yes, so you want to hear any news or want to know anything about the news or happenings in the world, you could go to this app, make use of it. Instead of going through other apps, you go to this one that you know that when you read from it, you get paid. Why not use it? Instead of reading and wasting your data, at the end of the day, you will not get paid. Why not use BuzzBreak, read news article, get informed on what is happening around the world, and get paid at the end of the day? Who doesn't like free money? The fourth one is called Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Reward, this app allows users to earn reward by answering survey questions. Yes, when you answer a survey question, you gain a reward. Yes, on Android, users or earners will be paid what is called Google Play credits. Yes, while in an iOS, yes, earners or rewards are being paid via PayPal. That is how the reward is being paid. Yes, it varies. In an iOS, you get paid via PayPal, while in Android, you get what is called Google Play credits. Users in available countries who are up to 18 years of age are eligible for this particular app and the benefit and reward that this app is giving. Yes, if you want to earn from this app, you must be in an eligible country. If you want me to mention, if you want to know the eligible country, please drop them in the comment section and I will be answering you. Yes, in eligible countries, and you must be 18 years of age before you'll be eligible for this particular app, before you make use of this app and earn from it. Yes, that is how Google Opinion Rewards works. If you are watched to this extent, you are the real MVP, and I love you for that. Thank you for staying to this extent. Please, if you have any question concerning the ones that I've mentioned so far, or you need more clarity on any of those apps that I've mentioned, please drop them in the comment section and I'll be right there to answer you. The fifth one sounds like our channel name, which is Make Money. Yes, the fifth app is called Make Money. Funny, right? Make money, and indeed you make money from this app. This app pays users or reward users by completing a simple task. And what is that task? Completing a survey, Yes, playing games, downloading other apps, and even website testing. When you do any of this from this app, you get paid. Yes, and your points accumulate into real money. Yes, which can be up to $12 and above. Please, when choosing an app, yes, please consider some of these basic factors. They are very important for you. Yes, such as this basic factor could include the types of tasks they offer. Yes, to know if you can do it. Their payment method. Yes, and also users review to see if it aligns with your earning goals. Don't just pick any app and download. Don't just randomly download one. No, go through the reviews, the users review, those people that have made use of it, their reviews. Yes, and see if the task they are equally given aligns with your earning goals. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're watching to this extent, you are the real MVP, and I really appreciate you for that. Thank you very much, guys. Please don't also forget to subscribe to this channel. Yes, and turn on your post notification bell to let you know whenever I post a brand new video. Yes, like this video, comment to let the algorithm to push this video more to the larger audience. See you in my next one. Ciao, ciao. Bye.